guys, my name is Lee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Spring 2018 FabFitFun box. FabFitFun is a seasonal lifestyle box for women that come out winter, spring, summer, and fall. They are $49.95 per season, but if you use the link that will be down in the description box below, it's an affiliate link, you will get $10 off your first box. I also need to say that I paid for this box myself. I am not working with FabFitFun. So let's open this up and see what's inside. The first thing is this little pamphlet. These come in the boxes every season, and that just tells you everything that's in the box. So then there is this $50 off of HelloFresh. I should probably cover up that code. I'm probably not going to use it, but just in case. These boxes have a retail value of over $200. Sometimes it's way over $200. This is actually their 5th anniversary. Their first box was launched in spring of 2013. This box has a retail value of $347 to $354.99, depending on the choices you made. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. The first item I'm going to show you is this bracelet. It's a love bracelet by Maya Brenner Designs, and this was one of the choices. You could have picked the statement earrings or the bracelet, and I went with the bracelet. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I really like the bag. I like the color of it. Oh, it's pretty. It's so tiny. I was worried that the letters were going to be really big, and I didn't think I would like that. It is a silver color, and it's really pretty. I like this. I don't know if I mentioned it that it has a $65 value. So it has a $65 value. Next is this Ish Lip Statement Palette. This has a retail value of $42. I probably won't use this, but let's open it up and see what it looks like. We'll see, maybe I will. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I accidentally stuck my fingernail in there, so I guess I'm keeping this. It has lots of pretty colors, actually. I think I will use some of these. Probably not these darker ones, but definitely some of the lighter nudes I would use, so that's pretty cool, actually. Next is the Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch. Let's open it up and see which one I got. This has a $60 value. There were 3 different choices, and let's see. Oh, this is pretty. This is prettier than I thought it was going to be. When I read I was getting a yellow and mauve one, I was a little worried, but this is actually really pretty. I like this. And you can use this side. It goes this way. Or use the solid. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it has a pocket in there. I'm not sure how well you can see down in there. It's really cute, and I really do like the design. It has this leather tassel. I actually don't know if it's real leather or not. Probably it is, but I don't know for sure. Anyway, it's really pretty, and I really like this clutch. The 2 other colors you could have gotten are this pink one, which is one I probably would have preferred, or this red one, which is really pretty as well. The next item is this eye mask. It says Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask, and it came in 3 different colors. I'm kind of glad I got the pink one. It came in a mint and white or off-white. I can't quite tell. This is a vegan leather eye mask and features a removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed, and this has a retail of $40, a retail value of $40. So let's open it up. I have a few things like this, and I always say I'm going to use them, and I never do. But I might give this one a try. You can kind of see in there the cooling gel pack. And yeah, I think this will be really great for when one of those nasty migraines hit. This next item was also a choice. You could get this, which is the Kors, I don't know how you say that, Guava Body Butter, and it has a retail value of $24. The other option were these natural collagen infused, might help if I put it here, infused lip masks, which I have some of these already, so I wanted to try the body butter. So let me see what it smells like. It has a really light scent. It almost doesn't smell like anything at all, which I really like. Next is this Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler for your nails. Ah! And I dropped it. This has an $18 value, but this says keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. The next item is this Murad Skin Protecting Lotion. It has a $40 value, and it says, this ultra-light, oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin to stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration. It also minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and soothes redness and irritation. Very cool. I can definitely use that. Nice. The next item is this number 14 Super Bloom candle by Anderson Lily. This has a $45 value. I'm a little bit concerned about this because florals tend to really bother my allergies. You also could have gotten Manhattan Beach or Fresh Linen, and I think either of those would have been better for me. So let's see. Yeah, it's beautiful, but there's no way I can burn this in my house. So this is gonna have to be a gift for someone because, yeah, I can't use this. Kind of disappointed about that. Next, there's this sample of Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. I don't really know anything about this, but it seems just like an exfoliator. I don't know. I'll find out, I guess. And the last item in the box is this massage, what is it called? Hold on. Physique 57 Massage Roller. This massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improve flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all of the feels. And it has a $20 value, and it was available in 4 different colors. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I've never had one before, so I don't know. Might be really nice. Guess I'll find out. This is something I never would have bought for myself. And if it turns out I love it, then that's even better. So here are all the goodies that came in my spring 2018 FabFitFun subscription box. I have to admit that this is probably one of my least favorite FabFitFun boxes. It's not that I dislike the box, it's just that it's, you know, I've gotten ones I've liked better. If you're interested in signing up for FabFitFun, don't forget there will be a link in the description box below, an affiliate link. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.